So endleleni yami yokuhambe ngifuna ama-solutions to ama-problems esinawo singabantu, and finding out nje ukuthi why ezinye izinto they keep recurring ey'mpilweni zethu, and why ijeni yomuntu kuhlezi kuyijeni yokuzelapha or kuyijeni yey'nkinga nje ngaso sonke isikhathi. Why sibonakala sengathi asikho in control of izinto esizivelelayo ey'mpilweni zethu. Kuningi esengikufundile, kuningi esengikutholile. I'm just sharing with those people aba-resonate-ayo nale ndlela yokuzelapha yakwa-spirituality, whereby you take matters into your own hands and understand ukuthi everything is energy. We can manipulate energy. Energy ayifi, energy is either negative or positive. Yes, it can be neutral at times. Kuningi engikutholile ngaku-understand. I am mostly fascinated about i-astrology, because i-astrology ichaza izinto ey'ningi and yenza us understand futhi ukuthi ama-problems esibhekana nawo, even nawo ama-problems ama-ancestors lawa, ama-problems adaliwe umdali, ama-problems e-universe. Yes, sinayo i-free will, because i-method oyichoozayo yokuthi uzelaphe is based on i-free will yakho, but leyo free will yakho nawe is controlled by i-knowledge onayo, i-background okhulele kuyona, i-information onayo wena empilweni yakho. I-information being i-vibration. The more you know, the more you vibrate higher. If ungakazi kakhulu u-vibrator low, and then the more knowledge you gather, the higher you become. That is why Betsy, when you know better, you do better.